Welcome to Tales of WisdomHQ, where we share powerful stories that inspire better thinking and living. Watch the full video to discover the lesson. Once in a tiny American town, there lived a boy named Kabir. He was poor, his clothes tattered, shoes worn out, and pockets always empty. But Kabir had a dream bigger than anyone could imagine. Every time Kabir shared his dreams, people laughed. "You're just a poor boy," they said. "Focus on tomorrow's bread, not castles in the sky." But Kabir's heart refused to listen. One evening, sitting by the river, feeling hopeless, an old wise man, Guruji, approached him. "Why so troubled, young one?" he asked. Kabir shared his pain and fear of never achieving anything. Guruji handed him a small mirror. "Look inside, Kabir. Do you see your pain? Look deeper. Do you see the fire behind it?" Kabir looked closely and for the first time felt a spark of hope. "That fire is your belief," Guruji said. "Feed it with courage, discipline, and action. Others may try to dim it, but keep cleaning your mirror every day with your efforts." From that day, Kabir changed. He read every book he could find, practiced every skill, and dreamed not just of school grades, but of changing his family's life forever. Life was tough. His mother was often sick, and his father worked endlessly in the fields. Kabir knew he had to help. Every morning school, every evening at the local tea shop, every weekend learning new skills. Night after night, Kabir studied under a small flickering light. He sacrificed sleep, comfort, and even food, but never his dream. His fire inside kept burning bright. Years went by. Kabir opened a tiny mobile repair shop, saving every penny. He treated every customer with respect, reinvesting every bit, slowly growing into a successful entrepreneur. From one shop to three, and then his own brand of mobile accessories. Those who once laughed now respected him. Kabir's family no longer struggled, they thrived. One day, Guruji visited. "You see, Kabir," he said, "the world tries to make poor boys think small, but those who dare to dream big rewrite their story." Kabir smiled. His journey proved that dreams are not measured by money, but by the vision and courage in your heart. Dear friend, if you feel even a spark of hope today, do not keep it hidden. Share it, nurture it, and start building your dreams right now, today. Remember, your next chapter of success begins the moment you dare to think big. Keep your fire alive and let it guide your journey. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and share it with your friends. And for more inspirational stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for being with us. We'll meet again in the next story with new thoughts and new lessons. Until then, take care and stay peaceful.